ఇండియన్ కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ సంబంధించి ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్. విచ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫాలోయింగ్ ఆర్టికల్ ఆఫ్ ద ఇండియన్ కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ have been added or amended by the bill in 2021 passed by the parliament? There is three options. A, new class 342A3 has been added. 2, article 366 26C has been amended. Article 338B9 has been added. ఇక్కడ 4 options, there is 4 options answers. Choose one. Number 1, only 1 and 2 are correct. Number 2, only one is correct. Number 3, only 1 and 3 are correct. Number 4, all are correct. Answer is 2. Only 2 correct. Article 366 26C has been amended. That statement only correct. అది మాత్రమే సవరించడం అనేది జరిగింది. రిమెంబర్. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్. హౌ మెనీ writs can the Supreme Court in India issue under Article 32? How many writs can issue? ఎన్ని రిట్స్ సుప్రీం కోర్టు జారీ చేయగలుగుతుంది? నెంబర్ 1 ఆప్షన్ 5 రిట్స్, నెంబర్ 2 6 రిట్స్, నెంబర్ 3 7 రిట్స్, నెంబర్ 4 10 రిట్స్. ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ 5 రిట్స్. Number 3rd question. Article 360 in the Constitution of India empowers the President of India to proclaim a options. Number 1 financial emergency, number 2 judicial emergency, number 3 administrative emergency, number 4 none of the above. So answer is financial emergency. 4th question. Who has been empowered to function as the President of India in case of vacancy in both the President and the Vice President offices in India? Option: Speaker of Lok Sabha, Chief Justice of India, Deputy Speaker of Rajya Sabha, none of the above. President and Vice President పోస్టులు రెండు ఖాళీ అయినప్పుడు ఎవరు బాధ్యతలు నిర్వర్తిస్తారు? ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ చీఫ్ జస్టిస్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. విచ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ స్టేట్స్ వాజ్ ఫస్ట్ టు ఎస్టాబ్లిష్ పంచాయత్ రాజ్? Number 1 Rajasthan, number 2 Madhya Pradesh, number 3 Maharashtra, number 4 Bihar. Answer is Rajasthan. The President rule can be imposed under Article 74, Article 75, Article 356, Article 368. Which of the following article? 4 options is there. ఈ నాలుగింట్లో రాష్ట్రపతి పాలన విధించే అధికరణం. ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ ఆప్షన్ 3 ఆర్టికల్ 356. Which of the following statements is correct regarding Article 368 of the Constitution of India? Number 1 Article 368 was amended by the 24th Constitutional Amendment 1971. Number 2 Article 368 was amended by the 1st Constitutional Amendment Act in 2006. A. Number 1 A, 1 is true and 2 is false. B, 1 is false and 2 is true. 3. C. Both 1 and 2 are true. 4. D. 1 and 2 are false. Option 3. Answer is 3. Both 1 and 2 are true. Option 1, option 2 రెండు కూడా correct. Next. Article 24 of the Constitution of India prohibits the employment of children in factories related to hazardous works. Such prohibitions. There is 4 options. 1 is absolute prohibition, number 2 partial prohibition, number 3 reasonable prohibition, and 4 moral prohibition. Moral prohibition సంబంధించి ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ 1. Answer is 1. Absolute prohibition. Next question. Our President of India can call for the joint session of Parliament under Article 108 of the Constitution of India. Number 1. Intention of President, direction of President, wisdom of President, and consent of President. Answer is intention of President. A. Number 1. Next, last question. The Disaster Management Act was made in 1. 2006, 2. 2003, 3. 2005, 4. 2009. Which of the following one? Answer is 3. 2005.